All right, it's your favorite time of day.
We're gonna give you a grand tour of our pad, so come on in. I love the vibe. If you know the European vibe, you know what I'm talking about. Here's the main bedroom area. We are in a studio. I love it. The exact neighborhood that we were hoping to be able to stay in. This is perfect, this is peaceful. I'm really excited to go out and explore around the whole area.
Souvlaki time. You know me, I love meat spinning on a stick. I'm sure it's gonna be great.
It does not disappoint. Come and check it out. This is delicious. Welcome everyone to our new apartment here in Athens, Greece. We are in a really great neighborhood called Psyri, and it is very convenient. It's a great neighborhood, very hipster cool, lots of really cool places to eat. We're really excited to explore it. It was just about an 11-minute walk from the metro to get to here, and from the airport, it was about a 45-minute metro ride, which was super smooth, easy, got us right here. Really could not recommend the metro enough from the airport over into the main area of Athens, Greece. We're gonna give you a grand tour of our pad, so come on in. We're on the first floor, one floor up from the ground. Come on in, I'm gonna show you a tour. All right, what's really nice off the bat is we've got hooks for our jackets because it is cold right now here in Greece. Right here in the hallway just past the hooks, we've got some beautiful art of some tropical birds, some toucans. Just reminds me of a warm tropical place that I wish I was at right now. To the left of the birds is the bathroom. It's small, there's not a separate shower. However, it's small, but it's functional. I like the sink, I like the decorations, and the mirror's really large as well. It's a bit small, but it'll work just for the two of us for 10 days. Here's the main bedroom area. We are in a studio, so everything is kind of all in one little area. The bed is super nice. It's just fine for the two of us. I really do appreciate little things like these little details, like we've got this mounted on the wall. It's nice to have a place to put your phones to charge overnight while you're sleeping. On this side, we've got a nice desk area. I do appreciate the desk. It's the perfect size for this space. It will be our dinner table, also a working station. We also have a nice big TV, which is really convenient. It's right across from the bed. We've got all the different local channels. We've got Netflix, got YouTube. It's a good smart TV. And then we've got our closet. I'll open up the closet for you. We haven't unpacked quite yet, but it's pretty spacious and big. We do have some hangers. It comes with an iron and a hair dryer, which I do appreciate. Love those little details very much. I think this is probably just perfect for us during the short amount of time that we'll be staying here. When we first walked in, we were super cold and we were very concerned because we didn't find a space heater or anything like that anywhere, and it just looked like this was an AC. This is actually an AC and a heater. So we turned the heater on and now it feels really nice, warm and cozy in here. Here is our cute little studio kitchen. We've got 2 burner stove tops, which are really nice in case we want to warm up anything. We've got a kettle, always need a kettle. We've got a microwave, a nice mini fridge, which will be just fine for those leftovers that we have. And then in here, we also even have, all the dishware, the coffee, sugar, all the different basics that you need. We have the cutlery items that we need. We've got coffee mugs, and we also have a dish rack here once we want to clean our dishes, and a nice little sink. It's perfect, it's functional, it's just exactly what we need. Okay, now we're gonna take you out to our balcony. Come on out here. It's really cute, really nice, quiet and peaceful. Come on out. This is just a nice little area to be able to walk outside and just have a nice little moment in the morning with your coffee. It's really quiet back here. It's super nice. Lots of neighbors, lots of different apartments. I love the vibe. If you know the European vibe, you know what I'm talking about. I love it. This is perfect. This is peaceful. So that's the tour of our cute little apartment. It's cozy. It's comfortable. It's in a really great location, the exact neighborhood that we were hoping to be able to stay in. So I'm really excited to go out and explore around the whole area now that we've gotten settled in. This place for 10 nights costs $338, so around 33 bucks a night. Good deal for us here in Europe. Love it. Super excited to be here.
All right, it's your favorite time of day. Souvlaki time. It's time for us to go and get another gyro, another souvlaki. We are going to one of the more well-known places in all of Athens. It's called Just Pita, and we're gonna order their most popular one. We're gonna let you know how delicious it is. I'm sure it's gonna be great. What's the most popular souvlaki? Pork. Pork? Okay, can I get 1 pork? All right, just ordered their most recommended, the pork gyro. Let me take a look at this food. Beautiful. Meat on a stick rotating. Doesn't get any better than that, I promise you that. All right, here we go, Just Pita. 1 pork gyro kebab. They recommended this one, so I'm particularly excited about it. You know me, I love meat spinning on a stick getting heated. Look at this. Nice and creamy tzatziki. Quantity looks pretty decent. I have to say it's very heavy, which I appreciate. Pull back the layers. Ooh wee, this looks delicious. Nice crispy French fries. Quinn couldn't help herself, but she had to go in for the meat that fell. This is gonna be good. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Here we go. That is excellent. That's really great souvlaki. The meat, juicy, tender, crispy. Fries are wonderful. Love the bread. A little bit doughy and chewy, which I like, but the outside's nice and crisp. The tzatziki is wonderful. Very creamy. Not overly acidic, really moistens up the sandwich nicely. The fries, nice crisp, no sog on them. Appreciate it. I'm gonna go with a 9.19. Excellent souvlaki. If you're in Athens, definitely come check it out.
Okay, my friends, just pita. Here we go. Heard lots of really great things about this place, and I'm so excited to try. I did sneak a little meat bite, like John said earlier. I just couldn't help myself. It looks so good and juicy. And now here we go. One bite. Everyone knows the rules. Wow, what a delicious, juicy, doughy bite. Man, I love this bread. This bread is so nice. It's got a really nice density to it, but it's soft and it is doughy, which is the perfect vehicle to feed me the delicious, juicy meat that's inside. And the tzatziki sauce is divine. The tzatziki creamy sauce mixed in with the juicy blend of the meat, nice, crisp, fresh veggies. Oh my God, that tzatziki sauce is really special, I have to say. I would say the stars for me, obviously the meat, really delicious and juicy, but the tzatziki sauce and this bread is so, so good. I give this a 9.23. 9.23, delicious, and you gotta go check out Just Pita. We have heard lots of really great things, and it does not disappoint. Come and check it out. This is delicious. And the price for this souvlaki is €4. Good quantity too. The quality and the quantity for €4, I'm not mad at it. It's delicious.